So today I got on Amazon Prime deal days, whatever. This USB charger. I have it on like all my other bikes. It's simple. It's just a little single USB charging port. It's a positive wire, a negative wire, an inline fuse, but it also has an SAE connection you can undo right here for your battery tenders and such. So I mounted it with a couple of stainless steel screws just to this plastic shroud that's covering your fork tubes for whatever reason. I don't understand why this shroud exists all the way down here and everything. Oh well. Pop that up. You have your little USB charge. I'm just going to use that to charge my cell phone while I'm out riding. Eventually the RAM ball mount will come in. It's M10 by 125 and it'll thread into my OEM mirror hole here, and then I'll have a little riser, and then the RAM foam mount will go right there. I'll have a charging cable running from here to the phone while I'm riding, and it's the simplest install you could ever do. All you have to do on this Navi is undo both the battery bolts holding the terminals in place, and then to make your life simple, take a coat hanger. In this case it's just a piece of welding rod that I had laying around, and straighten it out best you can, you know, if it's a coat hanger or whatever. And then I taped the one end of the charging cable to one end of this rod, and after I taped it to it I kind of twisted it around a few times towards the end of the rod, and then conveniently enough you can actually take it and feed it right through the plastics this way, and it will come right out of this factory little cutout here that's already in existence for brake cables and all that. It's not in the way of anything. The metal wire will come out right through there, and then pull the wire out. I just put a little bit of wire loom on it just to clean it up. I bought a big spool of it at one point in my life, and I still have a shitload of it. And that's it. That's all you need. Literally almost no tools required. I think it's just either an 8mm or a Phillips head to take the bolts out. I just put new bolts in it that I had laying around. They don't have the Phillips head, but they are still 8mm head. And that's it.